here's something a little bit different. This is a Ionizer Plus ionizing fridge air purifier. This is something that was sold on QVC, and it's basically an ionizer, and you can put this in your fridge, and it's supposed to make your vegetables and stuff last longer. So if we come here, you can see the Super Fresh button all the way over to the left-hand side. In the middle, we have the power button, and on the right-hand side, we have mode. On the top of the unit, you can see the actual 4 little probes that ionize the air underneath this little outlet grill. And over up top right there is a light sensor. There's nothing really on the side or the back except for this side, where there's a little alarm on-off switch for the door alarm, which uses the light sensor on the top of the unit. And here on the bottom is some information. It says ionic freshener and deodorizer, Ionizer Plus. And it's also powered by 4 AA batteries. Alkaline is best, but you can use lithium or any other AA batteries you have lying around the house. So if you hit the power button, the little display comes on, and it shows you the temperature and the mode up at the top. Unfortunately, it's in Celsius, and I can't change that, but that's alright. I don't seem to mind. The thermometer isn't all that accurate anyways. So it's on low, and it's currently ionizing. You may be able to hear it. And that's for like a low output, like a small mini fridge or something you would keep under the desk. You hit the mode button, and I'll go to high. That's for a larger fridge. And the little wheel off to the right-hand side just tells you that it's operating. And the SF Super Fresh button over on the left-hand side is for when you put your vegetables and fruits in the fridge, and that'll give an extra boost of ions. So the light will flash and it'll run for 20 minutes and give a boost to the ions, so it'll help keep your food fresher. Now, this little switch on the side here, if you turn it on and then turn off the lights, or in this case, close the refrigerator door, it'll turn the alarm on. Then if you turn it on and wait a little bit, the alarm will go off, letting you know that you left your fridge door open. I'm not sure how well this will show up on camera, but you can actually see the little ionization tips are ionizing the air, and you can hear the little high-pitched whining noise that they're making. So there you have it, something a little bit different. There you have the Ionizer Plus Fridge Air Ionizer. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.